Hi there, this is Maggie from Rock Paper Copy, and this is free audit of the website lift23.com. I'm on the homepage, and the first thing I noticed that you've got an image of obviously the mask. However, the the browser tab, the meta title of your homepage mentions socks. So it looks like that you might have swapped. You've got socks here as well. You have changed the niche, or you've got mix. Okay, so you've got mix. So you've got mix niche, mix products. However, it feels like your original niche was socks, but now you are selling masks. So I recommend sticking to one niche, because if someone will find you, they will find you from search engines, they will find you from other traffic sources that you have worked on so far, and probably they will find you because they were looking for the socks. If they see the face masks mm, as a target product, it can be confusing because they are not looking for face masks, so they are not likely to buy, because you are not ranking for the term face mask. You are ranking for the term socks, for the products that you have been stocking so far and selling so far. So think from that perspective. That can actually harm your rankings, because there will be plenty mm, of the bounce rate. People will be coming to your website and clicking back right away. So unless you actively work on ranking for the term face mask and relevant keywords, it doesn't really make sense to have face masks as the main product and suddenly change the direction to sell face masks. However, you need a little bit smarter approach here. So I know that you booked a consultation. Perhaps you wanted to chat about it, so we can definitely chat on building and preparing the right strategy, if you want to be selling face masks long term, because obviously this trend can continue for at least few more months, a year, something like that. So however, changing the direction so suddenly, and then showing hero image that you're selling face masks to the traffic that is looking for the socks, can actually hurt your conversion rate and hurt your bounce rate. But we can talk about it during the consultation. So I do look forward to that. However, you've got call to action, you've got tagline. So this is all perfectly nicely optimized. I'll close it. Kind of is distracting, covers the content. However, you are selling face masks. I'm not sure if I can actually close it. You're selling face masks and then shop collections, obviously the athletic socks. From my point of view, you should put those collections at the top, right below the menu. Don't don't try to compete with the websites that specialize with face masks already. You need the right strategy, but okay. Let us continue. So okay, so the collections look really nice. Uh, okay, and the collection titles are quite SEO friendly, so that's perfect. Okay, so some is that this picture really shows the quality of the socks, of the products. Okay, that's great. It would be great to optimize those elements with calls to action, such as shop now button, find out more button, something like that. So it links to the relevant collections and products as well. However, these promo images look really, really fantastic. Okay, so a little bit about yourself. Okay, so this is about the journey, how you started. The goal to lift the spirits of 23,000 homeless children, New York City shelters. Okay, so this is really fantastic. You've got a really amazing, uh, amazing, mm, amazing mission statement. It feels like it's been lost along the way, hasn't it? Because now you kind of jump on a bandwagon of selling face masks and you forget about the core values of your branding. So I think this message is much more appealing than just trying to sell face masks. So I'd encourage you to work on what makes you unique, what sets you unique. This is so much more appealing for the conversion rate, for sales, um, for people to see that their purchase can make a difference. So it can actually help your conversion rate if you expanded it further, if you explained exactly which charities you support, what kind of percentage of the total purchase of the total order goes to those charities, and obviously what kind of difference each purchase makes. It is much more appealing, and I'd encourage you to work on that, to work on your branding, on your mission statement. We can definitely also discuss it during the consultation. The homepage feels like it belongs to completely two different brands, like this part and then this part, which is much more exciting, much more interesting, but it feels like it's maybe a little bit forgotten. But I'd encourage you to go back to those core, what really inspired you to start this business. Okay, but you've got footer navigation, so that's perfect, and social media links. Now let's have a look at the collection page. So the product images look really fantastic, high quality images. It's very easy to compare the differences between each design, between each product, so that's perfect. The images show the quality of the fabric, which is really important. So let's have a look at the product page. The product page also looks excellent. I love the okay, so where is it? Okay, so this is the text within the image. This is the product title. Okay, EcoSock. Look at EcoSock. The product title has got plenty of information, which is perfect. I love that the socks contain your logo, which is excellent. Make sure mm, that the make sure that the product title contain your target keywords that can also help your ranking for those keywords much faster. However, there's add to cart above default. That's excellent. I'm not sure why the color. Okay, red navy. Okay, I'm not sure why the color is white and doesn't. I thought it's the selection, so it will be selected. However, yeah, it should really be color like red navy. Is it red and navy? Is it two different colors? It can be a little bit confusing because um I would call this red if I wanted to choose from two. However, you've got red / navy. So I'm not sure. Is it the name of the color? Red blue marl. Okay, red blue marl. Okay, so it can be a little bit confusing because you are using this color title here, color name red blue marl. However, here is red navy. So maybe you should really be consistent because it can be confusing and there is no okay, so there is dash, there is / red blue. It kind of feels like there are two different colors. However, yeah, I would use the consistent names, red, blue, marl here without the / and and use the color here in the swatch as well. I'm not sure why they have got men's sizes here if it's within the I choose to go to women's collection. So you understand that this product is in both collections, isn't it? Yeah. Okay, it's in both collections, so I suppose that makes more sense now. Okay, however, the product page is nicely organized. I'm not sure why. Why is this message here? Please note, drop-down menu dictates size and color. Picks on the left are not linked to drop-down choices. Okay. There's no drop-down. Okay, so there's no drop-down. Picks on the left. There's a pick on the right. Yeah, it can be a little bit confusing. Okay, picks on the left are not linked to drop-down choice. So I understand you mean the color of the choice. Please note drop-down menu. The drop-down menu message is also confusing because there's no drop-down. You've got those kind of tabs selecting, and these just select the sizes, not colors. So yeah, it definitely can be confusing. People might spend some time trying to decipher what they are actually buying, which can definitely affect the conversion rate. So I would work on making the purchase as seamless, as smooth, and as confusion free as possible, because confusing buyers, I mean, I spent like 10 minutes trying to decipher what I'm actually looking at, which can definitely be confusing. This, for me, this is the most confusing. This message is not necessary. It actually is contradicting to what is on the page. I understand that you're using the product option app, which is not optimized obviously to how you'd like it. That's why you've got this explanation here. So perhaps you can change the product option app. It's obviously not performing the best for you, and stick to normal default Shopify variants. They will be more straightforward, they will be more user friendly, and I would definitely help you avoid any confusion and help you boost sales further. So I do recommend sticking to the standard Shopify variant options. Okay, so we've got related items here, so that's excellent. Now let's have a look at the extra pages. Our mission is so appealing. You talk about what inspired you to start this business, which is so important. Obviously, it will resonate with a plenty of people who will choose to shop from you over other brands just because their purchase can make a difference to the goal that resonates with them. So I would make a stronger statement about it on your homepage, across the product pages, across the collection pages, so people know right away. If they don't click to your about us page, they won't know that their purchase can actually make such a tremendous difference. So make sure to inform about it on the product page as well, saying, we donate 10%, we donate 5%, so on, to this kind of homeless in NYC charity, um, or even children charity, which will definitely help to boost your sales. People will be much more likely to act upon their purchase to buy from you, because they will see, okay, so my money will actually make a difference if I buy from you, and if I buy from somebody else, it won't make that much difference. So definitely don't hide this information. This is the most strongest selling point for you. And I would shout from the rooftops, because this is something that can significantly boost your sales. Remember about it. The shipping page hasn't got a lot of details. I understand that you've got offer free shipping, which is excellent. However, make sure to specify How long is the delivery? I'm glad that the items are shipped within 24 hours, so that's excellent. That is really huge plus. So you're not drop shipping, you are sending from a warehouse. 24 hours is an excellent turnaround time. Majority of the shops that I'm reviewing ship the items within like 3 days, which I'm not sure why it takes so long, but okay. Um, However, make sure to specify if you ship worldwide as well, and obviously, is it if it's only USA shipping, or if it's worldwide shipping, people will be interested. And obviously, mention what kind of courier. Okay, the courier here it is, USPS first class mail. You may expect your order during the shipping process. So also add details here as well, what kind of expedited costs there are associated with it, and obviously how is it the next day expedited delivery. Don't keep people guessing, because that can definitely affect the conversion rate. Be as straightforward and be as informative on the shipping page. I've got plenty of information on my YouTube channel and on my blog how to write shipping policies, what to include. So please check these out as well. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I upload 2 new videos every week with plenty of great details on how to improve the conversion rate and sales on your Shopify store. So I do recommend checking it out as well. Your SEO score is 49 out of 100, which is definitely room for improvement. The meta title. So this is the meta title that I saw in the browser tab when I landed on your homepage and I saw the face mask. So and the meta title is beautifully organized. Perfect. 10% goes to cure charge with cancel. It's okay. So you've got the information here. I will also add a call to action at the end, such as shop now. However, this kind of information, I didn't find it on the website that it's 10% and which charity. So definitely you need more exposure to the fact that you're making this kind of difference. It can definitely help your sales. If you got H1 tag, maybe it could be a little bit more SEO friendly, contain your target keyword. If you got H1 to H1, H2, H3, then there should be H4, H5, H6. Don't jump between the H tag sizes. Also remember on working to add more written content on a regular basis through blogging. It's really important for Google. Google loves fresh content added on a regular basis, so blogging is perfect for that. And also optimize the images with SEO friendly alt tags as well. I hope you liked this audit. If you did, please leave a positive review on my Trustpilot profile. The link is in the email. And if you would like to learn how to fix any of the issues mentioned in the audit, how to improve your conversion rate, how to get more traffic and convert more visitors into paying customers, please book a free chat. This 15-minute non-obligation chat with a Shopify expert is available for everyone who booked the audit. So don't miss this opportunity. Ask the Shopify expert any questions you might have about optimization of your online business. Book the chat now. The link is in the email. Thank you so much for your time. If you like this video, remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular SEO and e-commerce tips. It was Maggie from Rock Paper Copy. Bye bye.